pretty. They look awesome. I'm excited to taste them. So here I go. I'm going to bite it. Y'all, this right here, this is something serious. Hey y'all, today I'm gonna make some Mexican cornbread casserole. I made chili a few days ago and I still have some left. I probably got 2.5, 3 cups of chili left, and we're tired of eating it all the other ways. So I'm gonna do a little experiment. If you're watching this, it came out really good. So I'm gonna make my cornbread first. It's just a pretty simple cornbread recipe. It's going to be just my cornbread recipe, but I'm going to add a few things to it. Add some jalapenos and a little Rotel. So I've got 1.5 cups of cornmeal, and I like the yellow cornmeal, but for some reason, I think I had this left over from making cornbread dressing, because I like the white cornmeal for cornbread dressing. But anyways, so yeah, I would usually be using yellow, but white will work too. 1.5 cups of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of flour. I'm going to put in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Alright, now I'm just going to whisk that together. Alright, so I got this whisked together, and I forgot, I also put 2 teaspoons of sugar in it. Look at that. I'll tell you. Okay. 2 teaspoons of sugar also, and I'm going to put it in this bowl. I don't know why I started in that one, because I'm going to put all our liquid stuff in this one and pour it into that one. All right, I've got 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 large eggs and 1 large egg yolk, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of Rotel with the liquid drained off. This is about 1.5 tablespoons of chopped jalapenos out of the jar. Alright, now I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk. Alright, well, I wasn't recording again, as usual. I thought I was. I just whisked this mixture together, the buttermilk and eggs, jalapenos, sour cream. Now I'm just going to add this into our dry ingredients. Alright, got all this mixed together real good. Put this in the sink. Now you can do it in just a whole full pan if you want. I'm doing it in a cupcake pan. And like all my other ones, it's really old, so it looks terrible. I'm going to spray a little nonstick spray in each one. Okay. Then I've got some cheese I grated over here. I don't know how much this is. It looks like 1.5 cups, so I don't know exactly how much cheese I'm going to use yet, but I'll let you know. We're going to put some of that in the bottom of each one of these. Just a little layer of it. Alright, so I've already done half of them, but I've got my cheese in the bottom. I sprayed it, it's, with nonstick spray. They've got my cheese in the bottom. So now I'm just going to put a little spoon of cornbread in each one, and this is about 1 tablespoon. Cornbread in each one. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of chili in each one of them. My hands are clean, and I'm not selling this food in a restaurant. It's just us at the house. So, we're going to survive, I promise y'all. Hoping I would be able to use all this, but I'm not. Guess I could put a little bit more chili in each one. So got my chili in there, so now I'm just going to top all these with cheese. I'm going to have to grate some more cheese, because I didn't grate enough. Alright, so I got them covered in cheese, got all our stuff in here. Now I'm going to bake them in a 400-degree oven. I'm not quite sure how long yet. I'm guessing around 20 minutes, but I'll let you know how long it is. Alright, so here they are. I think they came out really pretty. They look awesome. I'm excited to taste them. So here I go. I'm going to bite it. Y'all. This right here, this is something serious. You have to make this. Even if you don't have leftover chili, you can just brown a pound of ground meat. Brown it with some onions, add a can of Rotel, even just add salsa, canned tomatoes, something, and put that in place of the chili. That is amazing. It has the cheese on the bottom, and then you got the cornbread. It's a perfect texture of that cornbread. It's not grainy, and then your cheese on top's crunchy. That is awesome, y'all. It's awesome. It's perfect. You have to try it. I'm telling you. All right. I'm going to go make some lima beans to eat with these tonight. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.